What is up, YouTube? Got another RC video for you today. Right here is the number one upgrade for the Traxxas Stampede VXL. This, what you're looking at here, if I can get it to focus, is the MIP Dog Bone kit. So, as you see, it comes with the cup that attaches straight to the transmission. You got your dog bone, and you can't really see in there, but it actually goes all the way through the wheel. So, I installed this yesterday. There's the other dog bone. Installed this yesterday after breaking numerous plastic Traxxas axles. It becomes unbearable. Every time you take the truck out on 3S, it breaks. So, I got this for 40 bucks off Amazon. Again, it's the MIP. It's a dog bone setup. They have another one that has like the axles that kind of go into each other. I don't know the exact name of it off the top of my head. But if I was going to pick a kit, I'd stay with this one because dog bones, I mean, they're tried and true. They've been around forever, and you just can't go wrong with them. I mean, I just went out on 3S, and I mean, I was hammering this thing. I was doing backflips. I was, just goosing the hell out of the controller to see if I could get them to break or shear off or anything. And I'm saying nothing. This right here, I wish I would have done a long time ago. You're talking a $40 upgrade that will keep you from buying parts, over and over again. And the fun doesn't stop because before I installed these just a couple days ago, I took this out to show some people. Literally within 30 seconds, what did I do? I snapped a U-joint on the axle. So, all right, guys, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Got a lot of good videos coming up. The X-Max 8S is on the way. E-Revo 2.0 pre-ordered. Will be here, I'd say, first week of May, so definitely stay tuned for that. I have a whole new setup coming for the Stampede 2. We're doing well, you know what? I'm not even going to say anything. That's going to be a surprise. So, if you guys want to see what we have in store for the Stampede, definitely stay tuned. Got a lot of big things coming up. As you can see, it's just your standard Stampede. It's got, RPM front bumper, wheelie bar. Now, I know some of the older Stampedes didn't come with a wheelie bar, so if you do get the CVDs, the dog bones, definitely get a wheelie bar. So, as you can see, man, it's just your basic Stampede. Hell, this thing still has screws in it. It's one of the old Stampedes before they started doing hexas. So, all right, guys, you know what to do. Like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. You got anything you want to know about RCs? You got any ideas, any cars you want to see, any upgrades you want to see? Throw them in the comments below. I will go ahead and get to them. So, all right, guys, again, like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. Questions, comments, throw them in the section below. Be safe out there, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.